Hey everybody, this is Gaynor Meilke from Charisma and Accounting Ignited, plus the Conscious Success Plan. We're doing the 3-for-1 Attention Restoration Therapy Challenge or series with 52 tips to help you bring your focus back over time, and also for you to learn some easy to do everyday practices that can help you maintain focus and increase mindfulness, which ultimately will help you feel more centered, calm, connected, and productive. So, our next tip is all about savoring daily rituals. And we talked a little bit in our last video about setting aside time for something like email management so that you're focusing on that. And I would say that email is like a ritual at work, and maybe having a tea time at home is a ritual, and maybe going to the gym is a ritual, maybe reading a book before bed is a ritual. So having rituals, not only around things that you like to do or must do, but the things that need to get done is really important. So I know when I've written books in the past, I have a writing ritual, which means that it's a non-negotiable part of my day where I set that aside to write. And we sort of have rituals that are reinforced in society. Like we always eat breakfast or we always eat lunch at a certain time. And while those rituals are good, sometimes making your rituals too rigid is also negative. But to do something on purpose at the same time on a regular basis is really what rituals are. And they help take the guesswork out of whether you're going to do something and how you're going to do it. It makes it a lot easier to stick to a schedule for achieving your goals. So think about the rituals that you have that are good and productive, and those that maybe you have that you'd like to eliminate, and then those that you'd like to create. And over the next week, you can make a list of each of those, make 3 columns or make a list, and then choose one from each column for the next week to put into action or not do it anymore if it's on the do not do list. And then you'll find that not only is your day more structured and flowing by following this ritualistic pattern, but you'll also see that you'll get more done by dropping things that really are not adding value and are not important.